Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the Hip Kit Club. This is my first layout with the gorgeous September kits, and my theme for today is a product focus on the 2x2 paper pad and some stitching. And I don't have a sewing machine at the moment, and so I did some hand stitching on 4 of the cute 2x2 papers. And I totally love the texture of the embroidery floss, and I also distressed the edges for some texture and dimension. I had a look into the gorgeous exclusive die cuts. Oh no, they are not exclusive. They are from Pretty Little Studio and they are designed by Kim Watson. And I also grabbed 2 or 3 leaves from the Pink Paisley Paige Evans leaves from last month's kit, just because they are matching perfectly the colors and my theme for today. I'm scrapping a picture from me having a big scarf on my neck, yeah, and I'm a big fan of the fall season. I love the crisp air and the falling leaves, and so yeah, I'm scrapping a fall-inspired or fall-love layout. We got this gorgeous Heidi Swap stencil in the color kit, and I'm just adding some random circles with texture paste. And then I will grab 2 of the magical powders. They are also included in the color kit. And then I will start to create an airy and light colored background. So once the texture paste is dry, I'm starting with a light coral peachy tone, and I'm just adding some of the powder on top of the texture paste, and then I will start to splatter some clear water on top of it to activate the powder and to get some color between the cute dots. And I will cut out a part of it just because yeah, I'm just splattering some of the water on top of the powder, and I also added some of the shaker. That's a gorgeous golden yellow color, and now I'm just adding some more splatters. Yeah, once that is dry, I'm starting to build up my layout, and I'm just grabbing my T-square ruler for that, so that I can have my squares straight on the paper. I'm gluing them down with some foam tape for even some more dimension, and yeah, I just love dimensional layouts, and yeah, so the last square is down, and now I will grab my cute embellishments and my picture and the cute fox. It's just adorable, and he's wearing a scarf, and so it's perfectly matching. And I will place the fox on the right side from the page, and it will overlap onto my picture. Yeah, and I am just I am gluing down everything with some 3D squares and foam tape, and I'm also bringing in some matching thread, and this is a light peach color, and I will place that behind the cup. And I will also grab some orange thread, and I will place that behind the leaves. But now I'm just yeah, gluing down the pieces, the leaves, and the colors are just gorgeous. And I will place them. I will start with a light green tone, and I will work my way up to a light orange color. And I totally love the colors. This is a cute iridescent frame from, let me think, I believe that's from Dear Lizzie, and I just cut one into half so that I can have that cute frame on 2 places. And yeah, I'm also distressing the edges from the leaves just for some more texture and some more dimension, and it's changing the look from the layout for me. It's yeah, I just love to distress my papers. Yeah, just gluing down the leaves, and then I will start to look into the embellishments. And I was not This is the first layout with the new kits, and I always have a big struggle to make some decisions and to narrow down my choices, and it's just a long way, and I will just cut out some of the part because I'm just looking through all the gorgeous stuff. And yeah, this pack of die cuts is from the Truly Grateful collection, and I just grabbed the yellow banner that said "in the moment," and I will place that, or I have placed that underneath my picture. And these are the cute adorable puffy stickers, also from the Truly Grateful collection, and I will scatter some of the leaves around, and I will grab some dots, and I just love them. And then I will grab the word stickers, the puffy words you can see peeking out from the left side. They are also from the Truly Grateful collection, and I will use the word golden from that. But first I'm scattering around some cute matching dots. And yeah, the colors are just perfectly matching, and I just love the random dots. Yeah, next to that, I will bring in some tiny word stickers, and they are from Dear Lizzie, and I totally forgot the name from the new Dear Lizzie collection right now, so I'm sorry about that. Yeah, now my leaves are glued down. Just adding a pop dot to the banner, and now I will have a look. Now I will grab the word golden from the puffy stickers, and I will place that next to the coffee cup or the hot cocoa. I'm not pretty sure. I believe they are marshmallows, so I believe it's hot cocoa. So the word golden, and then I will grab the tiny word stickers, and I will grab a few of them in matching colors, and I will glue some of them to the leaves, and I believe one will go under the word golden. And I'm just looking for the perfect colors, and the little sticker said, "This is so good," and this is because of fall. So fall is so good, yeah. This one is live, but I will change the placement, I believe. Yeah, now I'm just adding some more stickers. This one said wonderful, and I believe one more will go on top. Yeah, that's a smile. I have added 2 more little flowers from the Truly Grateful collection from last month die cuts, and you can see one of them right behind the fox and one next to the cup. And there's also a little pink label underneath on top of the picture. That's from the Pink Fresh Studio stickers. And yeah, now I'm just adding some more thread, and I will also add the word yes to the little pink label, but you will see that on the final pictures. And that's it. Thank you so much for stopping by, and yeah, talk to you soon. Bye.